I have wonderful news. One of my 2 favorite holidays is just around the corner. Valentine's Day. Because isn't it wonderful that we set aside a whole day just for love? The problem with love, though, is people tend to fall under 2 different camps. They either love anything and everything, from their partner to the sandwich they just ate, to a movie, to their cat, to their Instagram photo. But then there's those other folks who refuse to even hint at the word, perhaps out of fear of being vulnerable, fear of being misunderstood, or perhaps they just genuinely loathe everything. So the problem with love is really finding the balance between these 2 camps, and that's why today's magic word is love. And we're going to talk about the 8 different definitions of love so that when Valentine's comes around in just 5-6 weeks or so, you'll be able to tell your Valentine not only that you love them, but you'll be able to tell them why and how you love them. Definition number 1, storge. Storge, this is a fondness between people who value the long-term aspect of the relationship. So it's whether between siblings, it's between family, friends, colleagues, even pets. Number 2, Philia. This is affection among equals, so among friends, among fellow members of the community, but it can also be among family members as well. Number 3, Pragmatic. Now this is a kind of love that's practical, it's convenient, it's where partners serve each other. Number 4, Ludis. This is when you love someone because of the things that you do with them. You value doing activities, whether indoor or outdoor activities, joking around, teasing. You love them because they're someone to do fun things with. Number 5, Mania. This is an obsessive kind of love where you're obsessed with being loved and loving, but it's often used as an escape from who you are or being used as a reinforcement of your own personal value. Number 6, Eros. Romantic love, intimate love. Number 7, my personal favorite, agape. This is unconditional love. If you love with agape love, just willing the good of the beloved is all you need. You derive your pleasure from serving those that you love. Number 8, Felicia. This is self-love. Now this can be expressed negatively as egotism, as vanity, or it can be expressed positively as self-acceptance and happiness for who you are. So there you have it, 8 different definitions of what love is. Your homework assignment, should you choose to accept it, is to figure out who do you love, and then how do you love them? And then the next question is, does that person reciprocate that same kind of love? Or do they love you in a different way? Or do they not even love you at all? Until next time, my name is Jonas Cain. Stay positive. I am thankful that I have a wonderful Valentine. His name is Mania. And Mania has been a great partner with me since I came into the magic studio all those years ago. He really keeps me safe. Anyone who comes in here not expecting him, they get so scared. Not that you're a scary guy, you're a nice guy. Yeah, I'm just lucky to have Mania as my storge love. I love him storgely because I store him at my studio.